Okay, so I'm making some rosemary orange zest shortbread cookies, and I've let it form into a log. I'm not the best at rolling, obviously, it still has wrinkles from the paper, but I'm gonna slice these up and get them ready. Alright, so I tasted the dough, raw. It's very herbal. I like it. And I sliced them as best as I could. And then I have one of the end pieces here, because I'm just gonna waste it. Let's see what it will turn out to be like. Alright, they have fully cooled. I've cut the rest of them and put them on a tray. But we'll bite into these. The texture is perfect for a shortbread cookie. The rosemary really is fragrant. Adds some nice finishes to the cookie, and the orange zest isn't bitter. Has a level of depth. Mashallah. Hopefully you could try it too.